I ordered a flying bowl from Amazon. Let's open it. It has a remote, a charging cable, and the bowl. I haven't ever used this bowl before, so I need the manual. After reading the manual, I got the basic information about this bowl. So at first we have to press the switch and it turns on. Now it needs switch to turn it off. The lights will keep blinking until we press the switch. Now it's off. So if this main switch is off, the remote will not work. It weighs almost 23 grams. So the blade provides at least 23 grams of thrust. We can charge the ball with the given cable. Now I will open it to see inside. So this is the whole mechanism. It's not safe to play without the case. I mean the covering ball. Let's open the case to see the circuit and everything inside. So it all contains a battery, motor and a microcontroller. I will place the things back and play with this ball. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.